I'm a painter here in Seattle. I do representational art, but most of it with a sense of humor. I like my renters. They trust me, I trust them.
The ordinance basically means that you no longer have any discretion to decide whether or not you want to rent to somebody with a criminal past.
All kinds of bad things have happened over the years, from just, punched out, to sexual assaults, to rape, to whatever. And I was in tears. I was so angry. I was upset. And they just seemed like they had their minds made up. They did not seem like they were listening. They were painting us all as, rich, greedy, racists. I still walk down the street a certain way. I'm always aware of my surroundings and the people that I'm dealing with. So I want to have that opportunity in my business and professional life too. I have to be able to trust, trust the people that I am dealing with. It is my life savings. If that house goes away, there goes my retirement or whatever, but it's also my life, physically my actual life, because I am the one collecting the rent from these people. So you get somebody with an anger issue, you get somebody with a history of domestic violence or whatever, they're fine on paper, they've been fine for 2 years, but there's a lot of, there's a lot of bad things can happen, and we have the right to know that about people, and also just to trust our instincts.
Kelly Lyles, for instance, has in the past rented to people who have a criminal history. So have most of our clients. And they've said, we wanted to give this individual a break. We knew that they had an assault in their past, or that they might have had a DUI in their past, but we were willing to give them a break. And our clients are willing to do that again in the future, but it needs to be based on their judgment on what's best for them and for their other tenants. Because in most of these situations, they're renting to somebody who is going to be right next door to this individual that they're deciding to rent to, or there might be a situation where they're going to be a roommate with potentially an ex-felon that the landlord has no choice but to rent to.
I definitely think felons, and we have to do something about criminal, and it's definitely a racist, biased criminal justice system. I get that. I have lots of friends with criminal histories, and I've dated men with criminal histories. You have to feel safe. You have to trust each other. You have to hopefully like each other, and it's not about race or class or sex, male or female. So I just don't think it's fair.